Hey Songbird, it's Kerri Ho from the SongbirdTree.com, and today I'm going to be showing you a group of exercises that's going to help you to become a vocal gymnast. Now, before we get onto that, please do make sure that you download my free resource, the 7 Singing Hacks. It's going to actually help you to mix your voice and to belt and to become the singer that you've always dreamed of. Just click on the link below to grab it. All right, let's get onto the lesson. In this lesson, we're going to talk about flexibility and stretching of your vocal folds and creating space in your throat. So let's get into flexibility and stretch of your vocal folds. We are going to use a family of exercises called SOVT, which stands for Semi-Occluded Vocal Tract. Now, these exercises are the best to train flexibility and stretch in your vocal folds. And I'm going to give you 3 incredible exercises to do that. The first one is the bubble or the lip trill. So, okay, now feel free to use your fingers to support the sides of your lips. That's going to help you maintain the bubble for longer in many instances. Now, the exercise goes like this. Fantastic. Now with these exercises, the key is to just keep it all really light. Don't think about trying to get louder as you go higher, but keeping it at an even volume. Now, the second incredible SOVT exercise that helps to build flexibility and stretch in your vocal folds is singing through a straw or straw phonation. So, grab your straw, and what you're going to do is closing your mouth over the straw, you're going to make a sound that's like this. Woo. Woo. So like this. Woo. Woo. Okay, now we're going to do a descending scale on an arpeggio, and it goes like this. The straw is definitely one of my favorites, so make sure you have a go at that exercise. Now, what if you just don't have a straw? And what if you really don't like doing the bubble exercise? Well, you know what? I've got your back. There is a third SOVT exercise which is fantastic for building flexibility and stretch in your vocal folds, and that is the puffy cheek exercise. So, in this one, I'm literally going to puff up my cheeks like this. Woo, woo. That's right, as if you're about to blow up a balloon. And the exercise goes like this. So there you go, 3 incredible SOVT exercises to help you build flexibility and stretch in your vocal folds. Okay Songbird, if you enjoyed that video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. And in the comments below, I would love to know, which was your fave SOVT exercise? I would love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, do make sure to click on the link below to download my 7 singing hacks. It's going to really help you to gain confidence to sing in front of other people, even if you think you're just a shower singer. All right, until next time, I am always believing in you. So get out there, get grounded, take flight, and sing.